Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trek south on US Highway 71 concurrent with US Highway 59. We begin in Polk County as we leave the city of Wickes. We enter the town of Granis, which had an estimated population of 574 as of 2019. Granis began as a railroad depot and grew with the development of the timber industry, turning later to the fruit and poultry industries. No landowners appear in records of the Granis vicinity prior to 1893. The oldest monument to any human presence in the region is a tombstone on a hilltop that is now the location of the Granis Cemetery. The name of the traveler buried there has been erased by weather, but the year 1881 is still legible on the monument. A sawmill and planer were built in the 1880s, and a post office was established in June of 1883. The post office was named Leon Station, but the reason for that name has been forgotten. In 1896, the Kansas City, Pittsburgh, and Gulf Railroad built a line south from Mena to transport timber from the sawmill at Leon Station and others like it in the area. Arthur Stillwell, owner of the railroad, named the depot at Leon Station Granis to honor a railroad official of that name, and the name of the post office was changed the following year. A city began to grow around the sawmill and depot, and Granis was incorporated in October of 1899. Even when the area was cleared of trees, the rocky soil was unfit for cotton, so landowners began to plant orchards of apple and peach trees. In 1938, the Granis Canning Company began to market canned fruits featuring blackberries and other fruits from the area. Around 1952, Clift and Dorothy Lane began processing chickens in their home. They added a rendering plant in 1962 and a hatchery in 1968. Lane Poultry was sold to Tyson Foods in 1986. Granis gained national notoriety in 1975 when several families gathered in a house in the city expecting the imminent return of Jesus Christ. Abandoning jobs and property, they existed upon the supplies from a store one of the family members owned. Several weeks later, local authorities intervened to return several children in the group to classes in the public school. The next year, the waiting adults were removed from the house because of their failure to pay the mortgage on the property during their vigil. Around the same time, Granis received attention of a different kind when it embraced 238 Vietnamese refugees and other refugees from Southeast Asia, many of whom had previously been housed at Fort Chaffee following their escape from Vietnam. We enter Sevier County, which had an estimated population of 17,007 as of 2019. The county was organized in 1828. We almost immediately entered the town of Gillum, which had an estimated population of 157 as of 2019. Originally founded as Silver City, it was relocated and renamed with the arrival of the railroad in the area. A farmer found a sample of gray metal on his land that he believed to be silver. He sank a shaft of 10 to 20 feet but found no further samples. The material he had found proved not to be silver but antimony. This metal, useful in alloys with lead or tin, was attractive to miners who worked in the area from 1873 to 1924, with peak production occurring during World War I. The National Register of Historic Places lists two structures in Gillum. One is the Golf and Gamble merchandise store built around 1910, and the other is the Gillum Jail, a single-cell cement jail built around 1914. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video as we approach the city of DeQueen. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.